Since the launch of Bitcoin in 2008, a lot of people have been so interested in the word blockchain technology. Everywhere you go, it seems as if every Dick and Harry is talking about blockchain, this, blockchain, that, blockchain, this, Web3, that, Web3, this. And I know that you must have tried to find information regarding blockchain, but then you ended up with reading technical contents that got you more confused. I've been there. But I created this YouTube channel so that I can simplify blockchain concepts. So today we're going to focus on understanding what blockchain technology is. If you're meeting me for the first time, I am Amara Chuku, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel where we demystify blockchain concepts. Let's get started. Like I said, blockchain has become increasingly popular since the launch of Bitcoin in 2008. But the question is, what exactly is this blockchain? Is it different from Bitcoin? Is it Bitcoin? Is it like what exactly is it? So I want you to understand blockchain. I'm going to use a very relatable illustration to explain what blockchain is. Now, if you're a businessman or you're a businesswoman, or you know somebody that is a businessman or a businesswoman, anytime you come across, like anytime you have a conversation with them or you just walk into the store, you see them recording some transactions. For those that use traditional pen and paper, you see them recording some transaction in a very big ledger book. Then for those that are now digitalized, for those that use online, those that use online I use online apps or probably softwares to record theirs. Like they have like a spreadsheet or something or some sort of software that they use to record their sales, the business transactions, and every single thing that concerns their business for each week, for each day, for each month. Now, I want you to see blockchain same way that you see this like public records, right? The only difference between blockchain and all of the other records I've mentioned is just that blockchain is decentralized. It is not owned by one person. So blockchain is more like a digital database, or a system. You can define it as a system of recording information in such a way that the system cannot be altered, and the information is very secure. Sorry, in such a way that the information cannot be altered and it is very secure. Now, blockchain technology, information is stored in block. Remember that the name is blockchain, meaning that each block contains a particular size of information. Now, as more information is recorded in it, that's the same way that they are linked, and they are linked in a chain-like form. What this means is that information in block A is linked to information in block B, and information in block B is linked to information in block C. That's the same way they go on and on and on to continue recording transactions. As more things are recorded on it, the blockchain continues to grow bigger and bigger and bigger. And you know, the beautiful thing about this is that it cannot be altered because everybody on that particular network has a copy of that transaction. Let me explain again. Remember our illustration of a business journal or a public database where business people get to record transactions, and you can see it just from a glance. Just from a glance. One thing about centralized systems like that is that as a business person, I can decide to manipulate it without even asking anybody for any permission, right? But on the blockchain, any information recorded on the blockchain is recorded there for you to change it. All the nodes, all the computers that have copies of that transaction have to agree that you want to change it. That's the only option for you to change it, and in most cases it's very impossible because most times the computers don't agree, because at the end of the day what you're trying the information you're trying to alter is not the same thing with what they have. So at the end of the day they reject it, and blockchain works with a consensus mechanism. A consensus mechanism has to do with a system by which blockchain protocols agree to a particular function. Let's say I want to alter something on the blockchain, and it is using this particular consensus mechanism. All the blockchain, they have to agree for that change to happen. So if the change does not happen, then it's not going to happen, right? So like I said, you're going to understand blockchain in just 3 minutes. So I want you to leave this video with this. Blockchain is very, very easy to understand. Say this with me. Blockchain is simply a system of recording information online in such a way that each information is secure. Each information cannot be tampered with, and each information is distributed to everybody, all the computers on that network, that they have a copy of it. It's also one of the things that makes it tamperable, because before you want to change it, you have to get the consent of all the computers on that network, and it's almost impossible for you to do that because these computers are distributed all over the world. So we've come to the end of our blockchain in 3 minutes lesson today. I want you to let me know if this video was educative, was it informative, did it help you understand blockchain, did it help you, was the explanation very simple for you? If it was, let me know in the comment section. Endeavor to subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you in the next class. In the next class, we're going to talk about how blockchain technology works. Thank you. Bye.